Okay. Linda. Let's say hi to the camera. Linda.
I don't know you. Do I know you? You look so freaking weird.
No. We're just too damn cute, you know? I like your... I'm cool. Okay. Linda, we're gonna look inside your ear. Ready? No. Move your head. Move your head. Stop it.
Ow! I'm ready.
What are you ready for, huh? What you look doing? Stop it. Ah! Okay. She's playing Dance Dance Revolution, the best game ever.
Yes.
It's better than Guitar Hero.
She didn't leave him a comment.
Whatever. What?
She didn't leave him a comment.
Where?
There's no comment. I just said that. There's
Hey,
no comment.
this is James's page. We're looking at it. That is the cutest picture ever. Yes, I know. Isn't she cute?
I think he dished us.
See,
Here,
there's my
here,
comment
let's
right
call
there.
him. Let's call him.
Shit. No, where'd my comment go? There's my comment.
You should call him.
Okay.
Call him. This is Ray calling James.
This is the phone.
And I'm about to call James. There you go. Call him.
No, Ray's not gonna call James. Then I can call James. But Ray's not gonna call James.
Unless in an hour I don't want to talk to James.
Fine.
Oh my god, you think he's gonna call at midnight?
Wait,
Ray, you messing me up, man! Selma, you think he's gonna call at
Look at
midnight?
her feet. Everybody's yelling.
Whoa! You don't think he's that mean, alright? Do you think? He's gonna call at midnight. Oh my god, my internet's fucking up. You don't think he's that mean?
Okay, this is the end of our broadcast because we're just that damn cool, you know? Okay. Bye bye. Mwah. Say mwah.
Mwah! Mwah!